In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform, specifically walking you through the process of setting up an appointment request form. Jotform is a fantastic tool for creating online forms easily and efficiently with numerous features that enhance both the user and customer experience. So whether you're new to Jotform or looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. First off, let's start by accessing the appointment request form through the Jotform form builder. This step is crucial as it serves as our starting point. By opening up the form builder, you'll have access to all the tools and elements you need to craft a comprehensive and engaging form. Make sure you're at the correct location by confirming the URL. It should take you directly to Jotform's builder interface. Once you're in, you'll need to click on Add Elements. This option is typically located on the left side of the builder interface. What's great about this feature is that it allows you to personalize your form by adding various elements tailored to your needs. Whether you need basic fields like name and email, or more advanced elements like file uploads or consent widgets, the Add Elements button is your gateway to a more customized and efficient form. This platform's flexibility in adding elements ensures that your form is not just functional, but also user-friendly and visually appealing. Next up, we'll enhance the functionality of your form by adding a signature field. Find the signature option among the available elements and click on it. Adding a signature field to your form is incredibly important, especially for appointment requests, as it adds a layer of authenticity and formality. This step is simple but instrumental in improving the user's trust and ensuring commitment to the appointment. A few tips as you add your signature field. Consider its placement carefully. It's usually effective to place it toward the end of the form, right before the submission button, as this is the final step your users take to formalize their input. If you're aiming for a cleaner design or need to manage space efficiently, Jotform allows you to adjust the size and format of the field until it fits naturally with your overall form layout. And there you have it, a quick guide to enhancing your appointment request form with Jotform. By following these steps, you've now equipped your form with essential elements, paving the way for a seamless experience for both you and your users. Jotform's intuitive interface and easy-to-use features really make form creation accessible to everyone, whether you're running a